Hello everyone, welcome back to Python series. In today's video, we are going to explore Python's built-in functions. So generally, built-in functions are ready to use features, methods, and it has its implementation to do something. And for using of this built-in function, we no need to install or import any third party or any extra libraries. These functions are written by the Python code developers, and we usually can't see the actual implementation because of most of them are written in the C language inside the Python interpreter. So today we are going to discuss a few built-in functions which are very oftenly we use, like print function, length method, max, min, some kind of a mathematical or and some kind of useful built-in functions we discussed today. So let's get started. Before going to start the implementation of few built-in functions, today I'm going to use a Jupyter notebook. So how to install the Jupyter notebook and how to open, how to handle the Jupyter notebook, I explained in previous session part 2 of Python series. You can check out there. And I already started the Jupyter notebook. So yeah, I created a file of Jupyter a notebook, so I can write some. So first of all, first method is I'm going to start my built-in function is print. So print is a method, is a built-in function very oftenly we use and display something onto the screen, onto the command prompt most probably. So I printed. So print statement will take the single arguments, multiple arguments. It will take the string with variables, variables also. For example, print of hello, comma, world. So here I given the two inputs as in the string format. So now I got the output of hello world. And now next I'm declaring the variable name equals to. So now print of by using the comma we can concat the we can combine the variable and the string. In Java this syntax is not possible to print the string and variable. We need to concat, we cannot combine those things by using the comma. We need to concat with the plus symbol, using the plus symbol, and here also we can concat, but no need of. So see, I got my output hello Sajid. So we can declare the variable and we can print it directly, or else with the string also we can print it directly. And using the f string format also we can print. F string format is a latest version, I mean the 3.6 it was released. So that is used to display the variables better in better way. So for example, message equals to f I can use in a capital or small case. I can use f string formatting. So here I'm hello, and also for the dynamical value variable I can mention in the brackets. So now my message is ready. I am printing the yeah. So I can declare the multiple variables if we want, like and of course age I need to declare, and I need to declare, and this syntax can be worked. So multiple variables also we can mention in the f string format. So now printing of a any numerical data, for example printing of a 10, of course in that exact format it will print it, and print off float value we can print, and print off any list in the same format it will print. So and printing of any escape any special characters like print of. Yeah, so this symbol represents new line. So so instead of printing the backward slash and n, so it will print the Sajid word came to the next line because of this symbol. And also one more other thing, so if I print multiple strings. So multiple strings, if I print, see if you observe the pattern, so hello Sajid Garu something. So the space while printing the words, there is a it is these words are separated by the space. You can customize the this separation of space. I mean when you are have a print in a multiple arguments in a printer in print method, so it will print with the separation. The separation argument, the separation value is a space actually, so we can customize that separation also. So same example, see here, and SCP separated character, if you want to update you can give. So here I'm going to separate with the underscore. So now see the output. So hello underscore Sajid underscore Garu. So I got it. So this is the print built-in function. So next function we are going to discuss about length method. So length method is used to returns the number of characters or number of items present in a object or string or in an iterative object like list, tuple, etc. So for example, length of Sajid, I got 5. So length of Sajid is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, 5 characters, I got the 5. So length of I got 4. So length of some list also we got it. And here if you observe, I'm not printing the length of I'm not printing this length of length method in a print statement, but we need to print actually. So whenever we are using the Jupyter notebook or else in a Python command prompt, so without mentioning the print statement, this built-in function will print the data. But in we are writing, for example, we are writing a .py file. So without having the print method, so without passing this length or else any built-in function to the print method, so it can't be printed. So here this is same, the outputs are same. I mean this with this example and before example, but not like in .py files. In Python files it is not possible. Only notebook environment or else directly command prompt, directly Python interpreter, it can be work. So this is the use of the length method. Now next some mathematical methods. If we take some built-in functions like max method. So max method will take the multiple arguments or else a iterative object. For example, multiple arguments means 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So what is the maximum of 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 is 4 only. Of course we got the output. And so I'm going to change this one to the list. Of course we can give the iterative object also, same output I can get. That is a max method, max built-in function. And of course it will take the strings also. So So max of A comma B comma C. So now max of A comma B comma C, what is it? It will take the dictionary order, means A comes, A got a 98, B 90, 98, right? So 97, 98, the ASCII number. So in that case, so C is a greater than A and B. So now I got the output of C. So if we have, for example, AB, BC, I think AZ better, BC and CD. Maybe we can expect AZ is a maximum number, but not the CD, only because of it will take the first character to compare only. If the first characters are common for two elements or multiple elements, then it will go for the next element. Otherwise, if so it will take only the first character only. So based on the first character, it will print the maximum. Same way, minimum also, minimum of 1 2 3 4, it will take the list, it will take the iterative object, or it will take the multiple arguments. So min of 1 2 3 4 in a list, of course it's a 1. So I'm going to update this one, it's 1 only. And what about this min of, same rules are applicable here for min like maximum. So now min of these three words are, what is the minimum word is AZ. So that is a min and max. Next built-in function is round method. So now this round method will take the normal, it will take the single argument, or else two arguments it can be take. So for example, round method is used to get the nearest integer for given number. For example, my number is not 12.3. So what you can expect, the nearest number for nearest int number for 12.3, of course it's a 12 only, basic math. So what about the nearest number for 12.8? Of course 13. So it will round the given float value to the integer. Next I can use this 12.8, 1 2 3 4 5 I mentioned. So now second argument I can mention the size of the decimal value. So how much you make the round for the decimal values. For example, instead of 12.12345, so I want to display 12.12 only. So my decimal size should be two letters only. So in that case, so if I mention the size of 1, for example, if you give the 1, I got the 12.1. If you mention 2, I got the 12.12. So that is the use of the round method. Next built-in function is ABS. What is the ABS stands for? Absolute. Absolute means we get the positive number. So ABS of 19, of course 19 only, but ABS of minus 19 is also 19. So that is how we get the positive number. So that is a absolute value. So now next type function. Type built-in function is used to get the data type of the given variable. So given variable or value, for example, 10 is an actually, what is the data type of 10? So sorry, typo mistake. What is the data type of 10 is, of course, int. So we can have a data types session in future. So 10.8, of course it's a float, and type of true, so that is a boolean. So now it's in Python, not boolean, it's bool. And string, of course it's not a string, it's str, and I'm giving the type of I always used to say, that this is a list, square brackets list now. So this is the proof list. So same, list type method is used to return the type of the data what is the data type of the given value. So that is the built-in function. Now next built-in function is input. So input is a method which takes the user string dynamically. So whenever you are building a command based application and you want to take the inputs from the users dynamically, you can use this input method. And input method is, it can be a non-argument method, or it can be a one argument method. So here I'm giving input method. I'm declaring I have one input method without any argument. So I'm whatever the read input method given the value, I'm storing in a name. So I am printing that name. So I'm executing C. I got the input text box. Input box, I got it. So here I can give my name. Your name is Saj. But if you observe, there is no information given to the text box. So if you want to given, so you can given. So I'm just a little modifying. If you want to given for this example, so in here you can print a statement, enter a number. That is okay. So print of enter your name. This is okay. I got it all. But instead of mentioning here, I want to represent in the input only. So now let's see the output. So now I got it. If norm, it's a better view, right? So what is your name? Yeah, this is my name. Your name is Sajid. So enter. So this is the way we can retrieve the inputs from the user, but it will always return in the format of string only. So here I'm printing the type of the previous one, type of name also. So what is the name? Yes, type is string, and of course, and I'm executing again. So 1 2 3 for also it's a string only. So whenever you're retrieving you're expecting any integer, you can't expect in the int format. It will return in the string format. But if you want to do any mathematical operation, you need to typecast. So how we can typecast? For example, here I'm updating my example. Enter your age. So your age is, so your age is age, but before that I'm going to update the age with -1. Okay, so if you do this one, if you execute this one, so enter your age 30. So now we get a typo error, we get a type error. So what is that error? So we cannot in unsupported operand types because of string int. This mathematical approach we cannot implement with the in between the string and int. Of course we can implement the int float, but not in the string combination. So now for that I need to typecast. This returns in a string format. So but here I'm assigning this age with a string. But before assigning into the string, with string, and just typecast it. So I typecast example. This is the example. Int of, float of, string of, list of. So I just typecast it. So now age is in int format. So now age minus age. Now let's see. Enter your age 30. So now your age is 29. The mathematical operation, it is also happened, and of course we can see the int one. So this is the input built-in function. Now next, we sum method will takes not like a max or min type of method. It will take it won't take the multiple arguments. It will take the iterative object only. For example, if you want to sum of 1 comma 2 comma 3, you'll get the error. So what is that? You're supposed to give in the integer form, in the list format only, 1 comma 2 comma 3 in that, or else you can mention tuple also. So sum of 1 comma 2 comma 3 is 6. So that is the use of sum method. It will take the only iterative object. Next method, sorted. Same like sum method, it will take list only. So sort, I'm just giving some random values. Sorted easy. So sorted of list of some random numbers I given, so it will sort the numbers. Useful, right? Now next method is id. So id method will returns the unique identity of an object, or else a memory address of a particular object or particular value which is stored in the RAM. So now id of something I can mention, but before that I equals to 10 and print of id of I. See, I got some address of the value 10, not I, address of the value 10. So now I'm going to update this one with I just change the variable name, but the value is same. Now what you can expect, the address, is it same like the previous one? Is it same, or else a different address we will get? Of course we will have the same address, because of the 10 value is stored in somewhere. The I and j will link it to that memory location. So this is a mutable and immutable concept. Of course we will cover it in future. So this is the, yeah, before going to conclude this one, I'm just continue with another method, the default predefined built-in function called help. So help method is helps to show the documentation of an object, or else any predefined, any built-in function. So we have discussed a lot of built-in functions here, length, min, max, right? So if we want to see the documentation, we cannot see the implementation of the built-in functions, but we can understand the that particular method, what type of an arguments we can give, vagera. So we can get some that information with the help of help method. Help, we need to pass that object or else your built-in function. So function name, not in a parenthesis type, function name. For example, help of length method, you see. So we get some description, and this is the method signature we need to follow. So length of an object, only single object we supposed to give, and here this forward slash is represents the fixed positional argument. The same order we needs to be followed. So length of help of length and maximum, we got some documentation. Minimum, we got some documentation. So this is the help built-in functions. Yeah, so that's it for this session. So today we discuss about almost 10 built-in functions with some examples. So, and of course the notes of this session you can download from the Git, and also the link is available in the video description. Thank you.